Good morning. Welcome to Crafting Unedited and Craftily. I'm Sierra, and today I wanted to just talk to you about something a little separate from the crafting world. There's a lot going on in our world right now. It's March of 2020, and there has been quite a, I know that this video will probably be viewed in years and years and years to come, so that's why I said it's March of 2020. So there is what's called COVID-19 going around, and it is a global pandemic right now. It is a virus that attacks your respiratory system, and it's just kind of chaotic right now. Things are quite a mess. Everything is shut down. And so today I wanted to talk to you about keeping busy, being positive, and staying motivated and just distracted during this time or in times of crisis or high stress. Coming from someone like me who has anxiety and can handle her stress pretty well and does thrive in a chaotic environment, I will say that these last couple of weeks have been really, really rough. So I just want to share with you some of my tips that I have done to stay busy, distracted, and positive. Not only for myself, but for my kids. I have two little ones who, my husband is out of the country. He actually was in Sydney until earlier this morning. So crazy times, right? So we'll start off with some busy and distraction type tips. Some of my personal favorite ideas to keep not only myself but my kids busy and distracted is puzzles. This side, puzzles. So I'll kind of share with you what I was able to find. I love puzzles. I always have. They're very good at distracting your mind. You know, you're focused on one mindless task to find all these little pieces that are scattered all over the place. These puzzles kind of reminded me of how the world is right now. It's scattered, it's chaotic, but eventually it'll be whole again and everything will be beautiful and awesome, right? So these three puzzles I was actually able to find at my local Dollar Tree, and I am thoroughly impressed. 500-piece puzzles for $1. We have Frozen with Elsa, we have Toy Story, and we have The Lion King. I actually bought 3 more of these, but they've already been done. They're completed. They're upstairs. So these are from the Dollar Tree. Only $1. I was also able to find a bunch of workbooks and stuff, which we'll go over that in a minute. These ones I got from Amazon, and there's another one upstairs that we started last night. It's The Mandalorian. This one is Harry Potter. There's a glare from the light. Sorry. It's Harry Potter Hedwig. And then this one, it's going to be really cool. I got this for my daughter's room. I'm actually going to glue them all and put them up in her room. They're 4 Disney princess or Disney movies. 4 Disney movie scenes. That's what these are. And they're just $500 or $500, Jesus. 500 pieces each. So that'll keep her and everyone else entertained for a little bit each day, keeping your mind distracted. Some of the other things that I do are like board games, computer games, even video games. I know it's really hard to limit screen time right now, but it is very important to do so still. Going on family walks is going to be kind of essential. Especially, you know, the kids are out of school, they're not getting that recess, they're not getting that physical education, so you want to keep them moving and physically fit. It's great to get out and get some fresh air. Even if you do catch it, you know, at least that way you can go out and still be kind of active. An active immune system is a healthy immune system. I forgot what word I was looking for. So, family walks. Working out. You'll probably notice that in almost all of my videos, I am in workout clothes. That's not because I just like to wear them. I don't go for the whole athleisure thing. I actually record most of my videos in the morning before I do my workout, and that is because I need my sanity, and that's why I do the workouts. I use Beachbody On Demand, which is great. No, I'm not promoting it, but hey, it is a great tool. It does have thousands of workout options. It has family workout options. It has options for kids. It has options for men, women, if you're overweight, any of that. It has it for you. So those kinds of, it's really awesome. Even if you don't have Beachbody On Demand, or if you don't have access to a home gym like I do. I have weights, I have an elliptical, I have a rower, I have a treadmill. We have all of that here. If you don't, just move. Jog in place, go on a run, find a trail. You know, we are practicing social distancing. We are kind of in a self-quarantine talk. So, but that doesn't mean that you can't live your life. That does not mean that you cannot leave the house unless, you know, if the government says that you can't, then no. But you can always still go run around your neighborhood. There's always nature walks that you can go do. There's all kinds of ways that you can get active and get moving to get that fresh mentality going. Reading, of course, always. That's a general one. Crafts. I am a crafter. That is what I do. So I do have a ton of crafts. And even stuff for the kiddos. A great option for you to go and purchase some stuff at a very, very, very low cost to you is the Dollar Tree. Not kidding. Their craft section is great for kids. They have everything from the puzzles like I just showed you. They have wood crafts. They have painting. They have canvases. My kids love art right now. They're super into it. So I went and picked up a ton of those little blank canvases, some little paint strips that they can kind of just mess up. I really don't care. A bunch of paint brushes, just little things so that they can keep their minds busy without being on the screens. A really, really great option to keep them connected with their friends and keep them feeling like they're having that social impact in the world is Skype or FaceTime or Google Hangouts. Some parents refrain from this stuff, but it is super important right now. They're really missing their friends. They didn't have an option or a say. They didn't really get to say goodbye. Right now, my kid is off for 4 weeks from school. Not summer. Just 4 weeks for now. He's supposed to return and then have summer break. So they're really missing that aspect of that social life. And it's really crucial for the kids right now. Like that's kind of part of their growth and development. So you want to keep them connected with their friends. Let them have your phone for a little bit. Get them a tablet or an iPad, something. Any way to keep them connected with their friends. Skype, FaceTime, Google Hangouts, any of that. And then Netflix has a watch party thing now that they can watch a movie together. It's really it's really nice to keep them entertained. That's what I was trying to say. Learning tools. Yeah, they're out of school, but guess what? They still need to learn. They're still going to need to keep up with their grades because when everything does calm down, they're going to have to go back, and you don't want it to be a really difficult task. It's already going to be pretty hard on them. So right now our plan, and so far what we've done, is my son has some computer-based learning, which is called iReady for the state of Ohio, and he has to do that for at least 20 minutes every morning. Then he has to read for 10 minutes. Then he has to do some math, and he has a vocab packet that he has to do. We're spending about an hour to an hour and a half on schoolwork. Then he'll move into like an arts and crafts. We'll do something together. And then he can go about his day, do whatever he wants to do. But learning first, chores, then do whatever. Yes, I'm still making them do chores. My house cannot contain the chaos and a disaster. Yes, a messy house is a happy house sometimes. But anyway, so another thing, I am working from home during all of this. So I am working from home full time with 2 kids, and it's a lot. I am very thankful for my mother-in-law right now, but it is a lot. So you have to be able to manage getting that schoolwork done before or after your work from home hours. That way you can be available to help them out and do what you need to do, and then you can go about your day as a work from home professional, and they can go about their day as being a kid. It is kind of interesting to see how things flow out working from home and being a full-time parent. So I'll keep you updated on that. So next, why don't we go with some positivity ideas? I love and I strongly believe that waking up to a positive message every morning is super, super important and effective in having a great positive mindset for the entire day. Think of it this way. You wake up, you open your Facebook feed, and all it is negative, 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 negative. And that's really going to play a huge part in how your day is going to go. Drop social media first thing in the morning. Don't do it. Don't do it. Go on Google, type in positive quotes or motivational quotes. Just read through them, find one that sticks with you, screenshot it, and remind yourself all day of that one positive quote. Daily affirmations are great. Being positive is essential during this time. It's a lot going on, and if everyone has a negative mindset, the world's going to end. Maybe. Who knows? Whatever. Positivity is way less stressful than, just being angry all the time. You can't control the situation, so just let it be. Meditation is a really, really good way, even if it's just a couple of minutes a day or even every couple hours. Just stop what you're doing. Hold everything. Just pause. Take a few deep breaths. Clear your mind, repeat those affirmations in your head, and let it go. You can practice this stuff with your kids as well. Yoga is a great way to keep a positive and clear and relaxed mind. Beachbody on demand, again. I am a yoga instructor, so, I can teach yoga. I don't really instruct anywhere right now. But, so I've got that skill set. But if you don't, and you don't have access to Beachbody On Demand, Google. There's also YouTube. You're watching it right now. You can always hop on there and, find a YouTube video of yoga moves. Relaxing, stretching, that kind of stuff. Keep your body moving. Movement is important. I say this all the time in my daily life, but I don't really, mention it to you guys because my channel is mostly about crafting. And today we're crafting about busy distractions and positivity during a crisis like COVID-19. So that's all I got for you today. I hope that you're really practicing that social distancing, and that if you're watching this after the crisis, then it helps you out in some future endeavor. Everybody goes through stressful times, so this will be helpful for everyone during any stressful time, not just a chaotic time like now. So, until next time, my beautiful crafty people and the rest of the world, we'll see you later. Oh, just kidding. Don't forget to subscribe. That little thing in the bottom there, subscribe. Right there. Should be right there. And like my channel, that way you know when I am on and when I have uploaded something new. For real this time. Until next time. We'll see you later.